HDB is pushing back its next sales exercise from this month to next month. National Development Minister Lawrence Wong says that this is to allow more home seekers to benefit from changes that will be announced.
Posting on Facebook, Mr. Wong said the National Development Ministry and HDB have been reviewing how they can give more support to first-time buyers of new or resale flats. And more details will be revealed next month.
And new flats are launched every quarter, and the next build-to-order release should see more than 3,000 flats in Punggol and Tampines on offer.
Mr. Wong also mentioned that there have been several policy changes in recent years to make owning homes more affordable for first-time buyers. They include increasing housing grants for resale flats and offering flats with shorter waiting times. HDB also allows students and national servicemen who are ready to settle down to defer their income assessment when applying for grants and loans. This is expected to cut down waiting times.